Why variable naming matters.
Clear and meaningful variable names make code easier to understand, maintain, and debug. Poorly named variables can lead to confusion, errors, and wasted time, especially in larger projects. By following best practices for naming, you help yourself and others quickly grasp the purpose and use of different variables in your code.
Avoid using vague or short names.
Using names like X, temp, or data may seem convenient, but they rarely describe what the variable represents. Instead, choose descriptive names that reflect the variable's purpose, such as user count, max score, or file path. This small effort saves time in the future and reduces misunderstandings.
Steer clear of lengthy or overly complex names.
The overly long variable names can be as hard to read as names that are too short. Aim for a balance. Be specific, but keep names concise. For example, use total price instead of price after discount and tax for all items combined. Clarity comes from being descriptive, not from adding unnecessary detail.
Consistency is key.
Stick to a consistent naming style such as camel case, snake case, or Pascal case, depending on your language or team guidelines. Consistency helps others quickly pick up your code and prevents errors caused by accidental name mismatches. Avoid mixing naming styles within the same project.
Don't use reserved words or misleading names.
Reserved words are words the programming language uses for its own purposes, like class or for in many languages. Avoid them to prevent errors. Also, don't use misleading names. Calling a variable list when it's actually a number can cause confusion and bugs.
Final tips for quality variable names.
Remember to keep names relevant. Update them when code changes and review your code to spot unclear or incorrect names. Good variable naming habits improve code quality and collaboration for everyone on your team. Small changes make a big difference in the long run.